Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Friends, in this video you will learn how to attach a router with a PC. So open Cisco Packet Tracer. This is the main page of Cisco Packet Tracer, and here we have two modes, logical mode and physical mode. Select physical mode, then click on home. When you click on home, from here add one rack. So I added a rack here and also one table. This is a table. Okay, you can see here we have a rack and here we have a table. Add one router to this rack. Okay, then also one PC. Put a PC on the table. So this is a PC and this is a router. Come here to connections and click on console cable. Here we have cable console. Okay, click on it, zoom the router to see the console port. So here we have a console port and click on this console port. Now the square is around the console port, and here come to the PC. Now click on the RS-232. This is the serial port. Now you can see the cable is going from PC to the router. Let me zoom it out. Now the PC is connected with the router. Let's go to the logical mode back. Now you can see we have PC connected with the router. To configure the router, click on the PC and go to desktop mode and click on the terminal and click on OK. Now you are inside the router configuration. I'm disabling the dialog mode right here. Now you are in the user mode. To go to privilege mode, write enable. I'm putting a password, console password and enable password on the router that nobody can access the router. So go to global configuration mode. Let me first change the host name, for example R1. Now write console 0. Okay, sorry, you have to write line console 0 and click enter, hit enter and write the password console and login. Now the console password is set. Now I'm protecting the enable mode as well. Enable password enable. Now the enable password is also configured. Exit from here and save the changes. Right, now the configuration are saved. If you check it again, click on the PC and click on the terminal, click OK. Now you need first me exit from here. Now let's check it again. Terminal, click OK. Now you need to provide the console password. The console password was, if I'm trying to enter incorrect password, for example, password. Now you are not able to log in, so the console password was console. Now you are in the user mode, and enable password was enable. You need to provide the password enable. So you are in the privilege mode. Go to global configuration mode. So this was the video about how to connect the PC with the router through console, and how to protect the console and enable. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something from this video. Thanks for watching.